Hi everyone, it's Dr. Andrea Ryan, and today I want to share with you how I take care of the diffusers in our home. We have a lot of diffusers. We have them in our kids' rooms, in our room, in our living room, kitchen, family room, basically all over the home. And those diffusers get quite a workout. We have our oils for sleep, we have our oils for mood and emotions, we have our oils to help with supporting our immune systems in the winter months. So I always like to make sure I clean out our diffusers every couple of weeks to make sure that not only the aromas are gone out of there, but that our diffusers are working and functioning to the best of their ability. One of the common concerns I get with people when they're first starting out with essential oils is their diffuser over time stops working as well as it used to. They may notice that the mist isn't coming out as strongly as it used to, or perhaps it just shuts off on its own. Often that's because it's become clogged. The little disc at the bottom where the bubbles are has become clogged with residue over time. So it's best practice to simply every couple of weeks do a clean out of the diffusers, and just that way they're going to function as well as they should on an ideal basis. Easy way to do it. All you're going to do is get some clear white vinegar, fill it up to the same level that you would the water level when you're using the diffusers, and let it sit for about 45 seconds. The vinegar will start to eat away at the residue or start to clear out any aroma that might be left there after the diffuser use throughout the weeks. I tend to do all of our diffusers at the same time. It's just super easy, again, to take 10 minutes once every couple of weeks. I put them all up on the kitchen counter, clean them all out, and as I go through the lineup, by the time I'm finished with the last one, I can come out and simply dump out whatever vinegar is left in the diffuser, and then I just take a soft cloth and clean out the inside of the diffuser. I can fill it up with water, put some more oils in at that point, put the top on, and I'm good to go. Super easy, simple, and it's a protection of your investment of a diffuser to ensure that they're going to work for as long as you want them to. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible.